Today on MotivLearn, we are looking at 9 foods that you should never eat uncooked. These days, many people are conscious about their health and choose to consume a variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods to maintain a healthy body and avoid diseases. While most foods are eaten after cooking, some are commonly consumed raw. However, eating certain foods without proper cooking can lead to health issues and discomfort. In today's video, we will examine 9 types of food that should be avoided when eaten uncooked. First up, let's talk about raw bell peppers. Consuming them can be dangerous, as their seeds may contain toxic chemical residues or even parasites like tapeworms. According to the CDC, uncooked peppers pose a significant risk of foodborne illness. Next, let's address the dangers of eating raw eggs. Egg yolks and whites that are not thoroughly cooked run a high risk of containing salmonella bacteria. Consuming raw or undercooked eggs can lead to serious gastrointestinal problems, including diarrhea, vomiting, and fever. Health experts strongly advise against eating raw or runny eggs. Raw milk is another item to steer clear of. While some believe unpasteurized milk has health benefits, it can harbor harmful bacteria like E. coli, salmonella, and listeria. These pathogens can cause diseases ranging from mild stomach upset to life-threatening infections. The FDA and CDC recommend always opting for pasteurized dairy products. Potatoes are another food that should not be consumed raw. They naturally contain a toxin called solanine, which can enter the intestines and lead to vomiting, diarrhea, and other digestive issues. Cooking breaks down this harmful compound, making potatoes safe to eat. Like potatoes, raw cabbage and eggplant also contain solanine. Ingesting these vegetables uncooked may result in nausea and vomiting. Cooking helps eliminate the solanine and makes them much safer to eat. While broccoli retains its nutrients when cooked, consuming it raw can increase the risk of stomach problems for some individuals. Cooking broccoli helps break down certain compounds that can be difficult to digest. Raw cabbage has also been known to harbor dangerous bacteria like E. coli and salmonella. Health experts recommend always thoroughly cooking cabbage before eating it. Another vegetable to avoid eating raw is beets. Beets are high in fiber, and consuming them uncooked can cause digestive difficulties and stomach cramps in some people. Lastly, the leaves of the colocasia, or taro, plant contain oxalates. These compounds can contribute to the formation of kidney stones if the leaves are consumed raw. Cooking the leaves helps reduce the oxalate content. In summary, it is crucial to thoroughly cook the foods to ensure your health and well-being. Consuming these items raw poses significant risks that are best avoided. That's it for today's video, folks. See you next time right here on MotivLearn. This information is provided for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes.